Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making baked apples. And what you're going to need is 4 baking apples. These are Fuji's. You can get like red delicious and gold delicious and a couple other different types of apples to make really good cooking apples, baking apples. But I got the Fuji's. So you're going to need 4 of those for this. You're going to need half a cup of brown sugar, teaspoon of cinnamon, half a cup of pecans, depending on how you like to say them. And it'll be 1/4 a cup, and these are chopped. And then you want 1/4 a cup of raisins, and you want to chop those up as well. And a tablespoon of butter. So let's get this going and see how it all turns out. It should make the kitchen smell really good as you're baking it. So let's go see how it all goes here. Okay guys, we're going to take the apple, get a little apple core. I just got this off of eBay or Amazon, and one of them you can find a good one. Alright, now you want to core the apple, but you want to leave about 1/4 of an inch at the bottom. So I'm going to just take this core and get the core out. Okay, I'll just take the spoon and use it to dig it out. You want to get your seeds and stuff out. Just use the core to get everything loosened up in here. Okay. Now, as you can see there, got a pretty good cavity in there. So I'm going to finish up these other apples, and I'll see you when I get that done. Let's hit that one right there. Okay, so let me finish these other apples up, and I'll see you then when I get those done. Okay guys, now our next step is to mix all the stuff we're putting in the middle, which is the 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 a cup of the chopped pecans, and then the chopped up raisins. I didn't chop these too good, but they are chopped. So I thought I had a spoon for this, but I guess it just went somewhere. And we're just gonna get this stuff all stirred around pretty good. That looks good though. It already smells good too. Now I got the apples all hollowed out inside. Actually, one of them I cut all the way through, but I managed to plug it back up, so we'll see how that all turns out. So, okay. Now we got this going. We're just gonna dump. Get some of these turned in here to pour it in. The apples. Here. Scoop it all in there. Well, I'll probably put a little bit more in there. I think what I'll do is I'm going to make another little batch of it real quick and fill the rest of this up here. Alright, so, well, alright, let me fill up the rest of it. These apples are a little bit bigger than I thought. Okay guys, I just quickly stirred up and made up some more mixture to top these apples off. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Get it up just about to the top here. And these apples were a little bit bigger than what I was thinking. So we're just going to go ahead. And when these bake, the brown sugar will caramelize. And all the other stuff in there will mix together here. Well, okay, so we'll just double everything on my own. So one thing you want to do is make sure you can always do a little bit of adjustment to your needs for your likings and stuff like that. A little bit here. Remember, that's the one that, alright. Now, wash my hands here. Alright. And the last step we're going to do here, or the last two, I'm going to put a little bit of butter on top of that. So there we go. Put our little butter. Now we're going to get 3/4 of a cup of boiling water, which you hear the teapot going, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, put that in there. And I had the oven preheating at 375. That's all done, so I'm going to slide this in here. It'll be about 35 minutes. Okay guys, I'll see you in 35 minutes. Okay guys, taken it out. It's been 35 minutes in the oven for 375. I've taken this out, let it sit for a few minutes cool. Little pots, but look at that. That looks so good. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and give this a little taste and see how it turns out. And I gotta get going on doing some other things I gotta do, so we'll go ahead and take this one out. So it's all down there. It smells really good in here right now. Alright, so we're gonna go, and I guess we can just cut this down the center. Let's look at that. Oh, that looks so good. Look at that. Don't that look good? So we're going to give it a little bit of cut off here. Alright, so that would be good right there. Alright, so we're going to take this piece right here and give it a try. That is really good. Good thing I added a little, doubled it up on it at the end there. But you always got to remember, you can always make adjustments to it. It's a little easier to add than take away. So these apples were a little bit bigger, bigger than what I was thinking, but it worked out good. Well, I made a little bit more. Well, and it turned out great. So guys, this is baked apples. I hope you give it a try, give it a hope you like it. It'll at least make your house smell good, if anything else. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, take time to comment below, and also if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you can catch other cooking videos like this. I try to get one out on Saturdays, and I also do sightseeing adventure videos and some taste test videos. So guys, I want you to enjoy the day the Lord has given you, and I'll see you on the next video.